Hey y'all, it's your girl Chrissy Too Real, and I'm back with another bomb wig review. Y'all, oh my god, you know I love big curly hair, and it is cold outside, but y'all, I did not put any products on this wig, so I didn't wet it or anything. I actually just let this hair air dry. But anyway, let's get into the specs of this hair. Come on out. Y'all, I just went and seen Queen and Slim at the movies, so I threw this wig on so freaking quick. Like, all I had was an hour to do, well, 2 hours to do my hair and makeup and find something to put on. So that's the real tea, but it was easy to put on. Once again, this is I think it's a 13 by 6, but anyway, let's get into the specs. This hair is from Asteria hair, y'all, and I ain't ever had no problems with their hair either, so let me know if you've ordered from this company or not. So far I have not had any problems with this hair. I think this might be the second or third wig I've gotten from them. But anyway, y'all, in this box, it does come, the hair does come in a baggie like this, and this shows that it is a 13, it's actually a 13 by 4 22-inch curly wig, or deep wave wig. Y'all, I put all the details in the description box. But anyway, it does come in this bag. This is a lace frontal wig, y'all, so it's not a full lace wig, it's only a lace frontal wig. And I did get my cap size in a size medium. I think this lace is transparent, but what I did do, y'all, was I bleached the knots, and then I tinted the lace, Teen Titans, goddamn. I tinted the lace on this unit with the company by Boho. It's always in caramel. I always put that on my lace, but I did tint the lace. And y'all, in this box, it does come with a cap. Y'all, once again, I did get a too dark cap, so I had to use a lighter cap. This was too dark, so I have been hanging on to these so I can give them to anybody who use a darker wig cap. Okay, and in here it has the specs on the hair, and it just shows you how to take care of the hair and everything, so that did come in here as well. As usual, it does come with a strap for if you want to strap your wig down and make it snug. Then it comes with the little thing that you tie around your head, and I use this when I'm laying down my wigs. Stop, kitty pop. I use this when I'm laying down my wigs. I have one of these already that I got so dirty it needed to be thrown away, so I'm glad I got another one. I use these all the time, y'all. And then last but not least, it comes with the baggie that says Asteria hair. So that's all that comes in the box. So that's what you will receive when you receive the hair. Let's get into the actual hair and what it looks like, because you know I was looking good tonight seeing Queen and Slim at the movies with my man. Come on out. Anyway, y'all, let's get a close-up of this wig. And like I said, I threw this wig on so quick, y'all. And y'all, for video purposes, I repeat, I do not put any product in my hair. When I come on here and show y'all how the wig look, this is how it looks air dried. This is the curl, because you know it came, you know, it comes how it is out the bag. It's beautiful curls out the bag, and they were very tight. Well, I ain't gonna say tight, but they was so beautiful. And you know what, I said, let me see how this hair gonna look once I just wash it and condition it and let it air dry. So y'all, I like to do that so y'all can actually see what the curls will still look like. Sometimes you'll wash the wig and it don't even have no curls no more. It be a hot ass mess. But no, all I did is no product. When I say no product on here, only thing I did was wash and shampoo and condition this hair and let it air dry and put it on my head. That's it. This hair is so full, and you can make it flatter, but y'all know I do like big hair. This is 22 inches, and y'all, what now I did put some, what's it called, freeze spray right here, and take my blow dryer and just hit right here so I can have a part. I did not pluck this wig. I didn't do any plucking. Only thing I did was put a little glue to glue this wig down because I knew I was going to the movies, and tomorrow is Thanksgiving, so I wanted my hair to be, my wig to at least be a little attached to your girl head while she trying to eat a little ham and yams. But anyway, y'all, let me show you the back of the wig. Let me see how long. Okay, but you know what, for this wig to be a 22 inch, it's pretty long. But y'all, the fullness on this wig, let me back up. Oh, excuse me. The fullness on this wig, do y'all see that? I mean, y'all, I don't know if y'all just, you know what, I actually love this wig right here. Now this one came through, honey. They did what they did with this one. Now y'all, tell me this ain't cute. Lord, I'm so shiny. But y'all, I mean, I've been coming through with the wigs now. Come on out. But y'all, I'm gonna get closer so you can see the curl pattern on this wig. Y'all, this wig is gorgeous. And you know what? I actually want to order another one of these just to dye the hair. Like, I want to dye like a bright, I wouldn't mind bleaching this hair and then putting like a Cajun spice on it to see what that would look like. But y'all, so freaking pretty. I always want to do me like a high ponytail or something, but y'all, I'm scared. But y'all, I always end up doing it to the side. But y'all, if I say but y'all one more time. But anyway, y'all, this hair is super soft and super pretty, y'all. Let me know how you feel about this hair and if you've ordered from this company. But y'all, I have nothing bad to say about this hair so far, and I will do another update. Y'all know I do not keep hair in long, but like I said, that's why I try to come on here with no products in this hair so you can see if you let this hair air dry what it'll turn into. It's still super soft, no tangles. Y'all, anyway, comment, like, subscribe, and let me know how you feel about this hair. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.